White to play. What is your move, Dianshi?
Knight f3.
Knight f3. Are you sure you are winning?
Yes, sir.
Queen has nowhere to go.
Sir, it has
Huh.
some
Where?
places, but
Huh. So where can it go?
sir, c4.
That's the only square. So knight to f3.
Yes.
Queen has only got one square or more than that?
Sir, c4 and b4.
Look properly, Dianshi. How is b4 possible?
Oh, sir, only c4.
Only c4. So knight f3, queen c4. What is next?
Sir, pawn b3.
Pawn b3. And is the queen trapped? Is there any more squares for the queen to
Sir,
move?
b4 now.
B4. Pawn will take it
Sir,
now.
there's no other square.
So that means queen is gone.
Yes,
Right?
sir.
Yeah. That's it. That's how we need to calculate. Knight to f3. Attacking the strategy. What is the knight attacking?
Queen.
And where can the queen move, Saksham?
The queen can only move to c4.
Yeah, this is the only place that is safe. Everywhere else, pieces will take it. So c4. And now what is the next move, Saksham?
Pawn to b3.
Okay. Now question to Saksham. Let's say I take your pawn. Now is my queen safe? Can I escape? Is the queen still trapped? Or can the queen escape?
Queen can escape.
Okay, so what will happen next, Saksham? What's your calculation? What will white do here? No calculation.
Rook to a1.
Rook to a1. It's already on a1, mister.
Rook to g1.
Rook to b1. Then you just lost a pawn for free. That is not winning. That is bad for you, no? Dianshi, what is wrong with Saksham's calculation?
Sir, you can just kill the pawn, and if the
Kill the
queen-
pawn?
kill the rook and
Capture
if
the rook.
and
Huh.
if the queen kills, just kill
Captures. No
the
killing.
queen.
Queen captures.
Then our queen can capture
Huh.
the
So is the queen still trapped?
Yes, sir.
So you're getting a rook and queen?
Yes, sir.
Exactly. Saksham must just play rook b1 and you can take the rook for free, mister. You've got a free food right in front of you. You're saying no. You get a rook and a queen. The queen is still trapped. It has nowhere to go. There is no square. It's just that one mistake and game changes. From winning position it becomes losing. Now here it is winning. So you have to focus fully. Every small mistake matters. Okay, let's go to the next position. This time there's no queens. So our topic for today is still trapping pieces. How can we trap opponent's pieces when it's there? Okay, this is our next position. So the idea is still trapping opponent's pieces. So you have to see how you can, win opponent's pieces by trapping them. There must be some piece that is almost out of squares.
Including king.
How can you trap a king? You need to take it, no? Trapping means you need to take it after that. No? Otherwise, there's no point of trapping it. If you trap the king, it is checkmate, right? Or stalemate, but checkmate. So let's think about this one for 1 minute, everybody. Okay, anybody decided? Yes, Trality.
The B for bishop. Capture the
Knight.
F5.
Huh. Then what will black do, Trality? What happens
Capture
next?
the bishop.
With? With which piece?
Bishop.
With bishop they will take back. Yeah, so it's equal. Right? We want to win something, no? We want more than equal.
So they
We
can
want
also
something
kill with
more.
the rook.
It's something with the
They can also kill with the
huh,
rook.
they
so-
can take with the rook also. Yeah, so it will be equal. They want to take with the bishop because bishop is not doing anything and rook is already doing something. So that's equal. Anything more than that, anyone has found. There's no piece that has wandered too much and might get trapped. Which piece, Trality, which piece of black has gone too far? Like there is sheep going together and then one sheep goes far away. Which is that sheep that has gone away from the team, away from the flock? Which piece is far away from everything that can? Trality. Which piece do you think it could be? Which piece may get trapped?
The knight.
The knight. Knight is defended. No, he's still along with his friends. His friends are looking after him. There is somebody who has no friends here. Who is that? Sakshan. What do you think? Which piece may get trapped?
The rook.
The rook. See, this guy. The ancient Sakshama, right? This rook. It has wandered too far. It looks active, but it also kind of has nowhere to go. And nobody supporting it. So that is why.
Rook F1.
You're going to trap a rook with a rook, is it, mister?
Yes, sir.
So you're going to catch a cat with a cat. I mean, you're going to catch a rat with a rat.
Sir, the rook can kill the rook.
How? So that's equal now. So how are you trapping a piece like that? If you want to trap something, you have to attack with something else, no? Not with the same thing. That's not trapping, that's exchanging. So you're going to trap the rook.
Sir, knight D1.
I don't know, you tell me. You're asking or telling?
Sir, tell him.
Sure. Rook is trapped. Nowhere to go. Absolutely sure. You'll play knight d1 if it's your game. Okay, fine then. Yes, knight d1, that's it.
Lord.
Rook is gone. No squares. Nowhere to go. Rook is trapped. So that's it. So you have to figure out when there is a piece that's far away, it may get trapped. It won't work every time. There is a possibility of trapping it. And if you look properly, you will find out how to trap it. Let's go to the third position. This time there are very less pieces. Okay, so first question I'll ask Trality. Who has more pieces, Trality? Who is winning right now?
I think black.
Black. What is black up by Trality? Why do you think black is winning? You compared the pieces, no? Like in the first one. So what is black up by?
It's up by two knights.
Two knights. Where is two knights for black? Anybody sees 2 knights for black on the board?
No, sir.
Then how is black up by 2 knights, Trinity? What is on the board? Then that's how you decide who's winning. Okay, so black's up by 1 knight, you're saying. Do you agree with that, Dianshi?
No, sir, because white has a rook instead.
Okay, so white has a rook extra
Yes, sir.
for the knight.
Yes.
So that means who's winning?
Sir, white.
White is winning. White has an extra exchange. We say white's an exchange up. Right? A rook for a knight. So the difference here is these two pieces. That's it. So white
Sir,
is yeah.
one pawn for the black also.
Pawn is also there. Okay. So a knight and a pawn for a rook. That's the difference. So white's in a better material wise better position. So now we have to figure out how we are going to get a winning position. So even though we have up material, our rook is in the corner not doing anything. Our king is not safe. So it's still close to equal. So we need to find a way to get a winning position. And there is a way to trap a piece. So which piece may get trapped and how? You can take 1 minute to think and then we will discuss. Anybody decided already? It's a tough one. Sure?
Sir, I only know that the knight is the one who is.
Okay, so you know which piece is going to get trapped. Do you know how you're going to trap it? No. Then you can't be sure that knight is the one that will be trapped. You have to.
Sir, everything has more squares except the knight.
Aha. Saksham, what do you think? Which piece do you think may get trapped?
Can decide the
How? But which piece you think can get trapped?
night.
Okay. Tragedy, which piece of black do you think has gone far away? Shouldn't have wandered away? Should have stayed close? And now it may get trapped? Knight. Everybody thinks the knight is going to get trapped. But the knight is not going to get trapped.
If I have the queen, then it's all
Not
The
the
queen is going to get trapped. Yeah, you're like, queen is too much of you. I can't touch the
Sir,
queen.
the queen can go to a6 still.
Yeah, of course. If you give black a chance, now queen will escape. But you're not going to give that chance. So to figure, the knight, the problem is even if you attack it, I can move. Where can I move? I can move back. I can move here.
Sir, not there. The queen is there.
Why? Queen will take the knight, is it? So just because queen is there doesn't mean queen can take it. So you have to think about everything. So knight is a very good square here. So there's no way to trap it properly. But the queen is far away and there is a way to trap it. So you have to figure out how to do it.
I thought it was already.
It's a 2-move combination. You need 2 moves to trap that queen. Let's see who is going to bring the queen trap and pick up the queen. Anybody?
No, sir.
Okay, I'll give one more clue.
No, sir.
No need of clue. Okay, fine. It might be hard without clue.
Sir, queen e3.
Are you sure?
Sir,
Queen what 3?
queen e3.
No.
You're attacking the knight. I'll move the knight.
No, sir. Because the queen can go to.
Go to? You want to go to a7? Ha, but that's a free queen. That's not connected to trapping anything. You're just trying to make threats. But
Fine, sir.
okay. To trap the queen, first you need your queen to come, then you need your rook to come.
I knew that.
First move is a queen move, second move is a rook move, and the trap will be complete.
So queen c3 and rook a1.
Are you sure?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So after queen c3, what happens, Dianshi? What is the next move? What will black do?
So queen e3.
C3.
Huh?
Queen c3, na? Oh, you mean black will play queen e3? Look properly, Dianshi. After queen c3, you have to see properly what will black do. If
So
black
they will move the king.
So king will, let's say, go to b8 and then?
So then rook a1.
Yeah, so that's it. Queen to c3, a very important move. It's a check. So, Trinity, where will the black king move? Can you tell me any square for black? D8, okay. B8 will be a little safer, but okay, D8 is also fine. And now, oh, you said B8, okay, fine. And now, how do we trap the queen? By bringing our rook. And the trap is formed. No way to escape. The queen can't, queen will take the rook. And then we will try the take the queen with the queen. So, well done, Dianshi, for finding that. Now I'm going to give you. You're also thinking, okay, so well done for thinking that. Okay, let's go to the next one. So, next one is a little bit easier. Maybe. Who knows? So this one I'll not give any clues. You have to figure it out. Now that you are an expert on traps. Yeah. Almost. There's a knight missing. A very important knight. Okay.
So it's check.
Yeah, this is the position. It is white to play. I'll give first chance to the youngest person here, Tragedy. There is a way to trap something. Let's see if you can find out. Which piece can we trap and how? Is the question. What is Saksham mumbling about?
So we can trap the bishop.
Trap the bishop. Can you now? Won't the bishop run, fly like anything?
F5, the rook. The e1 move to
F1. I'll run for my life. Oh, I can't go that will take it. I'll go here. And then I'll run. And then I'll hide. If it comes to that. So, bishop is not really easy to trap. There is one piece, 1 second, the ancient section. There is one piece that's kind of away from his or her friends. Okay, so think about how to do it. Tragedy. Tragedy. You know which piece you want to trap? Which you don't know. You just have a good look. Na? See which piece can attack it. Patience, Saksham. It's not a competition. If you want something, you have to ask for it, right? If you want chocolate, you have to ask for chocolate. If you want the queen, you have to ask for the queen. So how are you going to ask for the queen? How do we attack the queen, Tragedy? Which piece can attack the queen? You only like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. One of them can attack the queen. Who is that piece, Tragedy? You are getting close? No? Okay, then let's ask Dianshi and Saksham.
So knight c4.
Yeah, the knight can attack the queen, Tragedy. And the queen unfortunately has nowhere to go.
Yeah.
Yes,
All
sir.
the squares are covered by knight, by pawns,
Yes,
and
sir.
everything.
I thought
So-
about that when you told it's a very important night.
Okay. Now last question. This one is not difficult or easy. It's in the middle. It's medium. Okay. Let's see if you can crack this. Almost done. Just 2 points. Okay. This is the position. It is white to play and get a winning position. Get a position where you're up material. So first question is to Tragedy, who is winning? Who has more pieces? Not pawns, just pieces. Just compare the pieces and decide.
So 5.
5? What do you think? Who is winning?
White.
White is winning. What is white up by? What does white have more?
2 rows.
2 rooks. Black also has 2 rooks, Tragedy. You can't see these 2 big guys sitting over here. How is white up by 2 rooks? So who is winning? Tragedy. You guys can decide the move.
So then we need to cut it.
One second. Let Tragedy tell us who is winning.
It's called
You come. Why? What is white up by Tragedy? You compared the queens equal. You compared the rooks equal. What is it? The next step?
Knight.
Who said knight? I never said knight. You have to compare the minor pieces, not knights. How many minor pieces were white? How many minor pieces were black? That's all you have to do. Not check. So that's equal. So it's completely equal. And then pawns, if you want, you can check. 6 pawns were white, 7 pawns were black. So black is up by 1 pawn. Now Dianshi has found the move. Saksham also found the move. Okay, let's start with Dianshi.
Knight b3.
Knight
Knight a3.
Same.
Knight a3.
Knight a3. Okay, and Saksham?
93.
Knight a3 is not a winning move, unfortunately.
Sir.
You're trapping the queen, is it?
Yes, sir.
Queen has nowhere to go.
Yes, sir.
Are you absolutely sure, Dianshi?
Yes, sir.
There is a full playground for the queen to run, and you say queen is trapped. How is that possible?
Oh no.
So think properly, guys. Don't be in a hurry to decide. You have a winning move, you play a casual move, and the game is gone.
Bishop to F.
Now don't start guessing moves. Make a decision. Proper decision you need to make, na? So this was a.
No, sir.
If you're absolutely, you get only one more chance. After that, no more chances. So if you're absolutely sure, then you tell. Otherwise, your chance is gone.
So queen e3.
Queen e3. You're gonna trap a queen with a queen, right, Dianshi? How is it trapping the queen? I'll take the queen. Eh? That's just an exchange. So Dianshi's chances are gone. Now only Saksham and Traradi can answer. How do we trap the queen? Yes, Saksham.
Knight to D2.
Yeah, knight d2. So it's very important to take your time before you make a decision. It's very tempting to just move the knight and say I have won the queen, but you have to see there are escape squares. There are moves for the opponent. Knight d2 wins the queen. So now queen will take the rook, and you will take the queen, and you're happy, right?
Yeah.
Now we'll start our game.